Hi guys, welcome back to HTML tutorial part 3. In the third part of this tutorial, we are going to learn what are HTML hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are used to jump from one HTML page to another page. Hyperlinks plays a major role in a web page because if you want to move from one page to another, hyperlink will provide that option for you to traverse from one page to another page. Hyperlink may be a word, an image, or an animation in a web page. The mouse cursor is turned into an hand shape while on an HTML hyperlink. You can see in several web pages, in mostly you can see in any web pages there are a lot of hyperlinks are present. If you move the cursor, mouse cursor on a HTML hyperlink, then the cursor will become turned into a hand shape, that means which is an hyperlink. Generally hyperlinks are appear in blue color with underline. A visited link, if you visited a hyperlink and if you come back to the same page again, then you can see that the visited hyperlink is turned into purple color and the mouse cursor will turn into a hand shape on an HTML hyperlink. The tag used for HTML hyperlink is the a tag, and the syntax is a href indicate the URL to which the link is targeted, and here you can specify the word or image that will act as an HTML link is placed in between this a tag. Make sure that you always close this a tag. It is a strictly paired tag. For example, if you want to go to my blog easy way to in, and if you want to make an HTML hyperlink for it, then you can choose this option. You can choose this example. Here is the URL and here is the HTML link. If you want to appear the HTML page, or if you want to appear the new link page in a new tab, then you can use an additional attribute for the a tag called target is equal to underscore blank. For example, if you want to visit this link in a new tab, then you can choose this HTML hyperlink option. A href is equal to, here is the URL and I want to this new link appear in a new tab, then I use this additional attribute inside the a tag called target is equal to underline blank. If you want to go to a link on the same web page, then you can choose a href is equal to, you can use an hash symbol before the link and use the a tag as usual. The special symbol is hash here if you want to go to a link on the same web page. And at the target area, and the targeted portion is embedded in a tag called a tag with an attribute called name is equal to link name. The link name and this link name should be the same. And here is the target area. If you want to go to a portion of another web page, then you can choose, here is the page URL and use an hash symbol and the sub key for the sub tags, key for the sub portion of that web page, and again the same URL with an additional attribute name. Here is the link name and the subname, key name, subname, key name are the same, and here is the target area. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. In the next part we will see all these hyperlink portion with a complete example. You can get more idea about all of these portions when you can see this example. So please subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you.